Big One warning. Over 50 earthquakes shake East Idaho in less than 24 hours. Over 50 earthquakes have rocked East Idaho in less than 24 hours, with folks feeling the effects from northern Utah to Idaho Falls. The 52 quakes all occurred in Caribou County, with the first happening around 6 p.m. Saturday. That earthquake was the largest, registering 5.3 on the Richter scale. The other earthquakes have measured between 2.7 and 4.5. The earthquakes continued through the evening and into Sunday afternoon, with the USGS reporting a 4.5 magnitude quake occurring around 11:40 a.m. with the epicenter 8 miles east of Soda Springs. Bannock County Sheriff Lorin Nielsen, who has lived in East Idaho for over 40 years, told the Idaho State Journal that having this many earthquakes in such a short time is unprecedented. "I've never seen anything like this," Nielsen said. "My wife asked if we should leave the house." No injuries or major damage to structures have been reported, although several residents near Soda Springs told EastIdahoNews.com that items fell from shelves and they witnessed their homes shaking. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has issued the following guidelines on what you can do before, during and after an earthquake.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.